Most people chase money their whole lives, but never learn how it really works. What if the greatest money lessons were hidden in a few powerful words? These 30 quotes have built empires, shaped billionaires, and changed lives. Ready to change yours? Let's begin. 1. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. 2. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Benjamin Franklin. 3. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything but the value of nothing. Philip Fisher. 4. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. 5. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. 6. It's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. Charles A. Jaffe. 7. Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Will Rogers. 8. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your terms. Chris Brogan. 9. Try to save something while your salary is small. It's impossible to save after you begin to earn more. Jack Benny. 10. The real measure of your wealth is how much you'd be worth if you lost all your money. Unknown. 11. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. Robert Kiyosaki. 12. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Jim Rohn. 13. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. 14. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Dave Ramsey. 15. Money grows on the tree of persistence. Japanese proverb. 16. The quickest way to double your money is to fold it in half and put it in your back pocket. Will Rogers. 17. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Dave Ramsey. 18. Don't let making a living prevent you from making a life. John Wooden. 19. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Winston Churchill. 20. Rich people acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. Robert Kiyosaki. 21. Financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make. Dave Ramsey. 22. Money often costs too much. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 23. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Jim Rohn. 24. The person who doesn't know where his next dollar is coming from usually doesn't know where his last dollar went. 25. You can be young without money, but you can't be old without it. Tennessee Williams. 26. If you live for having it all, what you have is never enough. Vicki Robin. 27. Never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. Warren Buffett. 28. The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates the sense of order. T.T. Munger. 29. Success is not just about making money, it's about making a difference. Unknown. 30. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. Let these quotes guide you all the days of your life.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. And hey, all the links and resources are right below in the description. Check them out.